This video will guide you through the installation of vertical cable stair railing. Please understand all instructions completely before starting any part of the installation. Prior to starting an installation of any aluminum railing project, ensure you have the proper tools and safety protection. We recommend the following tools: safety glasses, tape measure, pencil, level, miter saw with non-ferrous blade, cordless drill, 4 clamps, appropriate fasteners for mounting posts to deck surface, 6-inch No. 2 square drive bit, 3/16-inch drill bit. Optional, cable cutting tool. Each post kit includes an aluminum post tube with attached base plate, post cap, and 2-piece base plate cover and an install guide. Post-to-deck mount screws, anchors, are sold separately. Vertical cable rail kits include top and bottom rail with pre-attached cables, mounting brackets and screws, stainless steel support rods. Let's get started. First, we'll plan out and install the 3-inch posts. Note, using installation jig is only used for level panels and do not work for proper stair panel installation. For stair applications, lower rail clip placement will be measured after posts are installed. Install proper post blocking under each screw location. With 3/16-inch drill bit, pre-drill through deck boards and into blocking. If post cap lighting will be installed, drill a 5/8-inch hole in center of the 4 deck screw holes to feed lighting wires. Note, if installing post lighting, wiring must be installed prior to securing posts to deck stair surface and installing top rail snaps. Level and plumb posts using shims. For residential wood decks, we recommend the following fasteners for mounting posts to deck. Do not install post caps and 2-piece base plate covers until all panels are installed. Temporarily install end stair posts so rail centerline aligns with top stair posts installed. Recommended post locations are shown for the most common installation requirements or applications. Be sure to check with your local code officials before installing stair rail sections or stair rail posts to ensure compliance with local code requirements. Position the post on the same 3-inch center line and temporarily fasten using a single fastener through base plate mounting hole. Check with your local regulatory agency for special code requirements in your area. For all other applications, consult a design professional. Now, we'll install the stair panels. Remove cable panel from packaging and lay section flat on a non-abrasive surface. Spread U-channels until cables are tight. Note, do not install tensioning blocks until instructed. Ensure panels are fully extended prior to tensioning cables. Clamp or hold panel against installed posts. Adjust for equal end spacing. Center panel so there is equal distance from post to first cable on each end. Position stair panel approximately 1 1/2 inches above stair nosing. Tip: lay a 2x4 board flat on nose of stair treads. This will allow enough room for installation of bottom snap. Using a sharp No. 2 pencil, mark the stair channels at 4 locations. As per chart, determine the necessary number of support rods required. The support rods should be spaced with no more than 4 cables between rods. Cut and remove cables where rods will be installed. Note, use appropriate stainless steel cutting tool. Unclap panel from posts. Cut bottom channel and top channel 1/16-inch less than opening size. Caution: ensure there are no cables in cutting path. Clean cut areas and apply touch-up paint on exposed ends. Slide top channel up until the swages stop the top channel. Insert support rods into holes at cut cable locations and slide top channel down to hold them in place. After the stair panel has been cut to proper size and angle, place the panel on a 2x4 board or hold 1 1/2 inches above stair nosing between the 3-inch posts. Use a sharp number 2 pencil to draw a line across the top of the lower baluster channel in 2 places. Remove the panel and bottom post. Then attach the stair panel attach clips at marked location. Center clip on post and secure with 2 number 8 by 3/4 inch self-drilling screws. Once the stair panel attach clips have been installed, reattach the lower 3-inch post to the bottom step or landing. Slide bottom channel with angled swages onto lower clips. Using 4 number 8 by 3/4 inch self-tapping screws, secure the lower 2 clips to the panel. Insert clips into top channel of panel on each end. Gently push down on upper channel until resting against upper surface of support rods. Secure upper clips to posts using 2 number 8 by 3/4 inch self-tapping screws. Then secure to the panel using 2 number 8 by 3/4 inch self-tapping screws. Slide tension blocks between swages and top channel with set screw points facing down. Important: tension blocks must rotate to short-angled surface for stair panel applications. Gently turn set screws just until cable is tight. Make sure swages and tension blocks don't stick up over the top channel. Tip: tighten the rear set screws first, just until they reach the channel. Then tighten the front set screws. This helps to keep everything level. Use included hex bit to tighten tension block set screws in the sequence shown. Caution: do not over-tighten set screws. Following the same angle as the secured stair panel, clamp or hold top-bottom rail snaps against 3-inch posts. Using a sharp number 2 pencil, mark the top-bottom rail snaps at all 4 locations. Remove clamps and cut top-bottom rail snaps at all 4 locations. Take care to cut snaps at appropriate stair angle. Use of miter saw with a sharp non-ferrous blade is recommended. Cut 1/16 inch less than opening size. Clean cut areas and apply touch-up paint on exposed ends. Snap each rail snap over the corresponding rail channel until properly seated. Tip: it may be necessary to temporarily support the lower channel when pushing down the top rail snap. Lastly, install the post caps and 2-piece baseplate covers on all posts. Thank you for watching this video.